my name is Thuten and I live in Sakyagun Monastery. Actually, Sagyadawa is the name of a Tibetan month, and we consider this month as a holy month because Buddha had did a lot of holy things. But on this particular month, a real three noble deed had been did in this particular month. Like Buddha was born on this month in a Lumbini, and Buddha was Buddha enlightened in the Bodh Gaya on the same month, as well as on the when Buddha was 82 years old, he passed away in Sajodong in the same month. So this we consider as a very auspicious month.
What is the brief significance of Sagadava for the general people? What should they do on this day?
Actually, if they can do a minute, this is a great thing because we can't do a great minute due to COVID. So we can stay in our home, light the butter lamp, recite some mantras. This is the greatest thing that we can do in this particular month.
Yeah. Today we can see there is no devotees in the Gumba. So what was the preparation and what precautionary measures were taken today, especially?
Not especially for today. From a long time, our monastery has been temporarily closed due to the rising number of pandemic. So we are not allowing any uh, visitors to enter monastery or visit monastery. If they want to do some donations and if they want to do pujas in the monastery, and they can call us and they can do in WhatsApp. So we perform the pujas for them through like this.
Various devotees are sad due to they cannot visit the monastery and do the puja and all. Those devotees are at home and they are feeling very sad, so that they cannot visit monastery. So, what message do you want to give to those devotees?
Actually, we as Buddhists, the main important is our mind. We should not go to monastery or do something like this. If we can stay in a home and do all the things like offering the butter lamp, reciting the mantras. And as we all know that we can't visit the monastery and temples, so they can stay in their home and do the mantras. It's all same.
Yeah. As we all know, there has been a pandemic throughout the world, COVID-19. So this COVID-19 is very spreading in India nowadays also, and killing, and because of the COVID-19, many people are dying. So thinking about the current situation, what Buddhist point of view do you want to keep on this COVID-19? Like, what you want to say about this COVID-19 from the Buddhist point of view?
Through the Buddhist point of view, now we can't stop the pandemic or like this with our magic or like we don't have like this. So the main important is we should follow the protocols that like staying in the home. We as Buddhists we are performing the puja. It has been 4 or 5 days that we are performing the puja for those people who have expired due to the pandemic. So that the main important is that they should follow the protocols. There's nothing like the magic or something that we can stop the pandemic like this.
Uh, since devotee cannot visit monasteries, different monasteries, so can you suggest any way or to pray or in the home, being staying at home?
Yes, most of the Buddhists they know that how to do a prayer and recite the prayers.
Like,
They,
for especially today, is there any suggestion from you, like to do this or to pray
for
like that?
today, from my point of view, I would like to suggest them to stay in a home, do some mantras, recite some mantras, and offer the butter lamps. Only this much. We have nothing much to do.
Any last message? Any message do you want to give to all devotees from our channel?
Uh, I would like to request all of you to stay in a home, wear masks, follow the protocols, and pray as much as you can. This is the only the option we have left.